Do your pores show right through your foundation? Are you constantly trying to knock down that shine throughout the day due to oily skin? Then it's time to prime. Introducing the Perfectly Primed Illuminating Primer and the Perfectly Primed Pore Minimizing Primer from Lizzy, together in this buy one, get one free TV-only offer. The secret is the lightweight pore minimizing formula that blends seamlessly and creates a mattifying effect that knocks down shine and oily skin while minimizing the appearance of pores and fine lines. And the Illuminating Primer instantly brightens, revives and smooths your skin to create the perfect radiant canvas for flawless makeup application and a fresh glowing complexion that lasts all day. Plus, your foundation will go on smoother with less shine, less visible pores and less fine lines. That's right, say goodbye to oily looking skin and the appearance of large pores and say hello to a mattified, silky, smooth glow with the Pore Minimizing Primer and Illuminating Primer. These two products can be used separately or combined to provide the perfect base for flawless looking skin. And the best part is, you can extend the wear of your foundation for all-day flawless confidence. If you're using another primer or you've never used a primer before, the silky smooth finish will have you coming back for more. It's time to prime.